Welcome everyone with the fresh video on linguistics. Let's get started. Today's topic is how linguistics is science. But before that, let's talk about what is science and scientific method. Systematic observation, measurement, experiment, and the formulation, testing, and modification of hypotheses. It means science adopts a method that's called scientific method. Here, observation is made in a systematic way, and the things are tested in labs, and hypotheses are made or hypotheses are tested, new theories are made or old theories are tested. This is what about science and scientific method. Let's see how linguistics is a science. As I told you in my previous video that linguistics belongs to social science. Social sciences field, not medical sciences. Let's see how this is a branch of social sciences. The field of linguistics consists of a set of true facts that can be proven objectively. Let me say, two terms are very common, subjectivity and objectivity. What is subjectivity? When your opinion, when you are influenced by your personal opinions, feelings and thoughts, that's subjectivity. And what subjectivity? When you are not influenced by your opinions, feelings or thoughts. So science talks about objectivity. So linguistics does. Linguistics is an objective field. The answer to any linguistics phenomena can be the same. Either it's a child giving the answer or an adult or an old experienced customer. The field uses the scientific method to determine objective rankings of language equality. All the parameters, all the methods, the ways are scientific, objective. The field uses empirical observation to develop theories of language behavior. Empirical means data that's achieved by experience or observation. Linguistics aims to discover the science of languages, how they originate and evolved, and further how our mind perceives them to communicate. This is a systematic way to analyze something that's done in linguistics. Generally, we use the term science for any knowledge that is based on clear, systematic, and rational understanding. Thus, we often speak of the science of politics or statecraft or the science of cooking, etc. When we use the word in our common life, in our daily life, we can say that there is no particular science involved in it. That the science of craft, that science of cooking mean the methods, the systematic way of cooking something. Here, science involved. Whenever we try to do something in a systematic way from A to Z, after adopting some given processes, that's called science or scientific method. Science must also provide explanation after adequate observation of data, which should be consistent. What does it mean by consistent? It means there should be no contradictions between different parts of the explanation or statement. And economical, it means a precise statement is to be preferred. Science mostly talks in a precise way, not undue explanation is given in. Now we look at linguistics. So linguistics studies language. Language is a phenomenon which is both objective and verifiable. So subjectivity is not involved in language study. And the findings, the data, the material, the explanation can be verified through many sources. That makes it authentic. Like natural phenomena in the physical world, it has a concrete shape and occurrence. It means language has its existence in the form of words, syntax, and in the form of speech, and in the form of communication. Language has physical existence as science has. In the same way as the physicist or chemist takes materials and measures their weights, densities, etc. to determine their nature, the linguist studies the components of language. For example, observing the occurrence of speech sounds, or the way in which words begin or end. Language, like other phenomena, is objective because it is observable with the senses. The characteristics of language, the presence of language, we can feel it with the senses. It can be, meant to say, language can be heard with the ear, it can be seen, mean to say, in the written form, in the printed form, when the vocal organs are in movement, or when reading words on a page. So when we speak, our vocal organs, they move. It's also the proof that language has physical existence. So science talks about physical things, linguistics also talks about physical things. I do hope that you have understood it. Hope you've enjoyed the video. You can press the like icon. You can subscribe to my channel. Meet you very soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye.